Hello YouTube and all of my dear friends, eagerly welcomes to the short tutorial networking. It's very important for how do we configure the static routing. For that work in your PC, definitely need the software. Its name is Cisco Trace Restaurant. Definitely you can get it from the Google Cisco Packet Trace Restaurant. Okay, then you download it from the Google and do work. So basically it's the topic's name of how you can be easily configure the static routing system. For a few of my friends I make that video, and I think it also helps the other students easily who are really eager or interested to know that static routing. So let's do the work very simple way. Try to concentrate, you definitely clear. So first time we need to be set a router. That's the first router. There's a second router. We can be set a switch. There's a switch. There's another switch, and we now set the PC. So I can choose the first PC, another PC, and for that network the first PC and another PC. That's the one network. That's the another network. So total two networks. And now connected with that wire. So first time automatic connect, but that's things symbolize from switch to PC, router to switch, and do that same things. Router to switch, switch to PC, and switch to PC, and that's the copper cross over from router 01 by 0. Okay, we do 50% work. Now we just configure the IP network addresses. Okay, so do that very simple way. I can set only 2 PC, you can be set 3 or more PC as you want to do your project. So for that things you easily explain or you easily get the things very simple way. So first time we need to be configure that PC IP configurations, and press that desktop IP configuration. Now we set IP address just like 192.168.2.3 and default subnet mask. We get it. And same way we do another PC's IP configuration. We need to be 192.168.2.7. Okay, you know that's the network ID. Okay, it will be same, and that's the different digit symbolized for that. Okay, so now the router is a port 0 by 0, so 01. So first time we make sure 0 by 0. So configure that thing. Config 0 by 0. Definitely make sure switch on, that can be port on, and for that thing you can easily send message from PC to another network's PC. So definitely make sure that switch on. So we give same network ID 192.168.2. Just like that 1. Okay, it's a default gateway. We can use that in that area. IP configuration, default gateway. Okay, very simple way, and same things do that work. A very simple way. Okay, now we configure that things very simple way, and for you clarify, we can be create the nodes part. I think it will be a very easy way to be give that things very clear way. So we can be create node place. Another thing, I think it will be makes you more comfortable. Okay, and what is that 0 by 0? It will be as a things. We do nothing, we just copy paste for our mind clear. Okay, so very simple way we set successfully one network. So we do another network, but the same thing, we just do that according to our first network. So first we configure the first PC, it's another network. So IP configuration, first time read 192.168 dot, it will be 3 dot 3. Okay, by default. So mask. Okay, if the network is the network part, definitely to be remind that things. Okay, now same thing, configure desktop IP configurations and do that things very simple way. Just change the last bit. So okay, very simple way. That's the things. Now config that things easily. Router 0 by 0. Config 0 by 0. Make sure switch on, I mean the port on IP address with the same network 192 dot, same network 192.168.13. It's the network part is the same. The last digit just change. It will be 1. Okay, I just set it as my desire. You can be set another number. Okay, then you use it as like default gateway. Okay, the default gateway. And now you put it as like base. Okay, now you move on the 0 by 1. So first time 0 by 1, switch ons, then port ons, then set the another network. It's like 192 is different from that two network. 192.168 dot. It will be 1.4. Okay, subnet mask. And that's the things. 0 by 1s. Do it same way. 0 by 1s. 192.168 dot. Where is the network part ID? 1 dot. It will be used as like 7. Suppose 7. Okay, let's do same thing. You copy it for your reminder. Very simple way. Where is that? So, okay, that's things 0 by 1. What was? It's a 4. Okay. Okay, we do it successfully. So you just notice that things, it's the one network. So network ID 192.168.2. The same thing, 2 and 2. The last digit is different. It's a gateway, and I use that things. That's PC default gateway, and that's PC default gateway. And it's the another network 192.168.3. It's the network ID. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Last bit host. It's a different. Okay. We use that the pieces, two pieces default gateway. Okay. Now we configure the static system. So first term we need to be go that we check it on. A good thing. So need it static. What is the network ID? I mean that's the network ID. We use it. Okay. So 192.168.3.0. That's the network part. And max 255.255.2. And the next port is that 192.168.1.7. Okay, and add, and that's the things, and do that same thing in that way. Static network is the network 192.168.0, and the mask 255.255. Sorry. And typing is really horrible. Dot 255.255.0. And the next hope. What is the next hope? Next hope is that thing. 192.168.1.4 is that thing. We configure. We add. Okay, we do successfully. across. Now we need to be make sure that things will be do more way. So we jack that static ons, switch ons, and jack that things ons, and the switch it's the ons. Okay, for make sure. So now we apply the masses. We can be checked is like that is a routing table for the magnifying glass. Use that thing. The routing table is the routing table. Okay, it's a network part. Okay, can we use that space? Now we just apply the masses. A very simple way. The masses part. Keep that things. You need to do that things. Okay. Okay. Perhaps it will a little bit take time. So you do it again. Do that things from. That's the things. It will be like mistakes towards the things. It's a first network ready, and second network ready, first network, and the second network. We use that things. Very simple way. So again we try. That's the best. And yes, it is successful. So we take it as like simulation and capture forward. That's the things. Smooth way. And we successfully send our message to router to another network ID. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening to me, and if you're really satisfied to get the things, definitely like and subscribe, and definitely stay with me. I will be providing another topics which will assist you a little bit. So that's no more today. Take care, stay safe, bye.